Hi class, it's me, your math teacher Jello. For today's video, I will show you how to find the sample mean from a frequency distribution table using alternative formula. Without further ado, let's start. Alternative formula for finding the sample mean or x bar using deviation method. And the formula is given by x bar is equal to AM or the assumed mean plus quantity summation of f times d divided by summation of f times the I or the class interval. So guys, yung AM natin dito sa formula, ito ay tinatawag nating assumed mean. And then yung f natin dito, that is the frequency of each class. And yung d naman natin dito guys, sa formula natin, ito yung tinatawag nating coded deviation from an assumed mean. And for us to get or solve for the value of d, so use this formula. So x minus assumed mean divided by the class interval. And of course, I stands for class interval. Gets? So actually guys, sa previous video natin, ang sagot natin dun ay 49.93. Ito ay may kinalaman sa video nga na yon. Ito kasi ay alternative method or formula. Ipinoprove natin na same lang din yung magiging sagot natin. So, of course, same lang yung magiging example natin dito. So, if I'm not mistaken, ang sagot natin doon sa previous video ay 49.93. So, panoorin nyo na lang yon. Now, let's start answering this problem. Find the sample mean from the frequency distribution table below. So, ang unang gagawin natin dito, class, ay we need to get the summation of our f or the frequency. So, guys, kapag pinag-add lang natin to lahat, so summation of f equals, so 2 plus 5, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 12, 27 plus 6, 30, 3 plus 4, 37 plus 3, that is equal to 40. So, summation of f, that is equal to 40. Okay, so ang unang column natin dito, guys, ay class mark. So, sulat natin. So, we have class mark represented as variable x, no? Okay, so, paano ba natin malaman yung class mark natin? So, guys, dito, tignan natin yung mga scores natin or yung given data. So, we have the lower limit and then we have the upper limit. So, to get the class mark, add lang natin si upper limit and lower limit or lower limit, upper limit. Then, divided by 2. Kasi we have 2, no? Okay, 2 addends. So, 40 plus 42, that is equal to 82. Divided by 2, of course, that is equal to 41. So, as simple as that. Likewise, 43 to 45, so 44 yon. And then, 46 to 48, that is equal to 47, yung class mark. 49 to 51, 50 ang ating class mark. 52 to 54, that is 53. 55 to 57, that is equal to 56. And then last, 58 to 60, 59. Okay. So, next, ang gagawin lang natin dito ay kunin natin yung value ng d natin or the coded deviation. Okay. So, guys, meron tayong formula dito. Ayan. So, where d is equal to x minus assumed mean divided by the class interval. So, mag-side solution tayo dito, guys. So, we have d equals x minus assumed mean divided by I or the class interval. So, say for example, our x here is 2, no? Okay. So, by the way, yung assumed mean natin dito, yung tinatawag na AM or assumed mean, kaya ang assumed mean, mamimili tayo sa ating class mark. So, what if ang napili ko ay 50? So, yung 50, ito yung tinatawag nating assumed mean. So, guys, dito, walang problema kahit alin dyan sa class mark ang piliin nating assumed mean. Sa same pa rin naman yung magiging sagot natin. So, for the sake of the discussion, magsusolve pa tayo ng another assumed mean later. Gets? Ipoprove natin na same lang yung magiging sagot. So, here, ang napili kong assumed mean ay 50. So, yung x natin dito sa una, yung sa frequency natin, katapat na to ay 41. So, ito ay 41. So, our x is 41 minus assumed mean natin, which is 50 nga yung pinili natin, divided by I. So, sir, paano natin malaman yung I? So, from the scores, di ba we have 40, 41, 42. Between 40 to 42, so we have 40, 41, 42. So, we have 1, 2, and 3. So, therefore, our class interval is 3. So, ganun lang kasimple. Gets? Okay. And then, ayun na nga. So, our D here is 41 minus 50. That is equal to negative 9 divided by 3. Of course, our D here is negative, very good, negative 3. Gets? So, meaning, yung D natin dito, guys, so sa unang value natin ng D ay negative 3. So, ganun lang kasimple. And then, so continue the process. So, we have 44 minus 50. That is negative 6 divided by 3. Of course, negative 2. And then, we have 47 minus 50, which is equal to negative 3 divided by 3. Of course, negative 1. Right? Actually, guys, dito parang may pattern, no? So, kung makikita natin, pataas, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. So, i-verify nyo lang kung tama tayo dito. Okay? And then, so dito sa ating formula, so we have FD, right? So, meron tayong FD. So, meaning, hindi pa tayo tapos. So, we have F times D. So, ibig sabihin, ipag-multiply natin si frequency times D. So, we have 2 times negative 3. That gives us negative 6. 5 times negative 2. Negative 10. So, guys, kung yan ay negative, isulat natin yan. Kasi mahalaga yung sign. Gets? And then, 8 times negative 1, of course, negative 8. And then, 12 times 0 is 0. 6 times 1 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. And then, 3 times 3 equals 9. So, dito, guys, sa formula natin, we have summation of FD. So, after getting the product of F and D, the frequency and the D value, so, the next thing to do ay get the summation. So, yung summation ito, ibig sabihin, pag-add lang natin yun, guys, summation of FD. So, kapag pinag-add natin, si negative 6 plus negative 10, negative 8, that is negative 24, right? And then, yung 6, 8, tsaka 9, pag pinag-add natin yan ay 23, right? So, negative 24 plus positive 23, that gives us negative 1. So, therefore, ang summation ng FD natin ay negative 1. So, can we now solve the sample mean using the formula? Yes. Okay, kasi may mga values na tayo ng assumed mean, ng summation of FD, and also summation of F as well as the class interval. So, let's plug in sa formula natin. So, I'm gonna use another color. So, the formula is given by X bar is equal to assumed mean added by the quantity of summation of FD divided by summation of F close times the class interval. So guys, huwag kayo malilito. So yung AM natin or yung assumed mean nga na napili natin dito kanina ay which is 50. So saan natin kukunin yung assumed mean doon sa ating class mark? So as what I mentioned earlier, any of those pwede natin gamitin. Plus summation of FT. So that is equal to negative 1 divided by summation of F, that is equal to 40, close, times your i's, which is 3, no, yung class interval natin. So simplify muna natin yan. So we have 50 plus, yung nasa parentheses, of course, that is negative 1 divided by 40. So ang sagot natin dyan ay negative 0.025. Gets ba? Times 3. Of course, wag kakalimutan. So, copy 50 plus negative 0.025 times 3. Ito ay negative 0.075. And then, kapag inad natin to guys, ang ating sample mean or x bar, so 50 plus negative 0.075, that is actually equal to 49.925. Or, round your answer up to 2 decimal places. So, standard yon. So, 49.93. So, guys, sa previous video natin, ang sagot doon ay 49.93 using the same problem. So, na-prove natin na tama yung sagot natin using alternative formula or method. Gets? So, likewise, yung sinabi ko nga kanina, we can choose or dito sa ating class mark as our assumed mean. So, this time, ang kukunin ko naman ay 44. 44 naman ang aking magiging assumed mean. Okay. Sige. So, dito, sulat. Ayan, sulat natin. So, anong unang step na gagawin natin dito, guys? Of course, getting the very good summation muna, no, ng ating F para hindi tayo malilito. So, summation ng F natin, we all know that ito ay very good 40. Right? Okay. And then, sa next column natin, ang sinolve natin dito ay class mark, right? So, write natin as class mark. Or represented by X. And then, from 40 to 42, ang class mark niyan ay 41. 44, 47, from 49 to 51, of course, 50. And then 52 to 54, that is 53, right? 55 to 57, that is 56. 58 to 60, 59. Gets? So, guys, dito, ang pipiliin kong assumed mean ay 44. Ayan. So, ito yung assumed mean natin. So, AM. So, nilagyan natin yun para hindi tayo malilito. So, ang assumed mean ay 44. Kanina, 50 yung pinili natin. So, sabi ko nga, any of those ay pwede. Yung magiging assumed mean natin sa class mark. Pili lang kayo dyan. So, dito, so we have D, no? Ayan. So, to solve for D, di ba we have formula? So, gamit ako ng another color. So, yung D natin ay may formula na X minus assumed mean divided by I or the class interval. So, yung X natin dito, una ay 41 minus, yung assumed mean natin ay 44. No? Okay. And then, yung class interval natin dito ay 3. So, guys, kapag sinimplify natin to, 41 minus 44, that is negative 3, right? Divided by 3, of course, that gives us negative 1. So, ang unang value ng din natin dito, class, ay negative 1. So, ganun lang kasimple. So, kung negative yan, guys, isulat nyo yan. And then 44, next, 44 minus 44, 0, divided by 3, 0. So, guys, as what I mentioned earlier, di ba kanina? So, sabi ko may pattern to. So, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, discover nyo na lang. And then, we have F times D. Sa last column natin, we need to multiply the frequency and then the D, no? So, i-multiply natin yan, class. So, likewise, if you have 2 times negative 1, so negative 2 yan. So, 5 times 0, 0. Tama? Okay. So, we have 8 times 1 equals 8. And then 12 times 2, 24. And then 6 times 3, 18. Next, 4 times 4, 16. Last, 3 times 5 equals 15. So, dito guys, sa last column natin, we need to get the summation ng FD natin. Kasi yon ay nakalagay sa formula. So guys, kapag tinotal natin to, so negative 2 plus 0 plus 8 plus 24 plus 18 plus 16 plus 15. So ito ay all in all 79. Gets? So, my question is, can we now solve the sample mean? Yes. Since lahat ng mga values dun sa formula natin ay meron na. No? So now, using the formula, so ang formula natin dun ay x bar or sample mean is equal to assumed mean added by summation of FD divided by summation of F times the interval or the class interval. So guys, dito plug-in lang tayo ng plug-in. So our assumed mean na napili natin ay 44. Kanina 50, right? So ngayon 44 naman ang ginamit natin. And then summation of FD natin, which is 79. Do not forget the parentheses. So it makes sense to put the parentheses. And then summation of F, that is equal to 40. Close, times the interval, which is 3, right? Okay. Next, simplify natin yan. 44 plus, pag pinag-divide natin yung 79 divided by 40, that is equal to 1.975. Of course, we still have 3, so times 3 yan. So, simplify muna natin yon yung may parentheses. PEMDAS rule tayo. So, times 3 yan. 1.975 times 3, that gives us 5.925. And then, ipag-add natin to guys. Yan, ipag-add lang natin yan. So, that is equal to 49.925. Or, round your answer up to 2 decimal places. Standard yon, 49.93. So guys, using 44 as our assumed mean, ang sagot natin ay 49.93. And using 50 as our assumed mean, ang sagot din natin ay 49.93. So, ibig sabihin tama yung sagot natin. Gets? So, ganun lang kasimple at kadali. Kung meron kayo natutunan sa video nito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.